Welcome to this and that. So I just want to show you guys a quick little easy he just won't stop with this toy. Oh my god. Got a little paracord daisy chain on here. He loves it. But, oh my god. So yeah, check this out. We got a T-post. So we get some free T-posts. And we're running new prairie dog target AR500. And all I did, I took this was from my old flatbed, but literally a piece of pipe, stack a bunch of nuts on there, and spring, carriage bolt. Yeah, look how good that yeah, so that's perfect. I put this in just to cover up the second bolt hole, but you could use it as a stopper. But also too, like, if you want, this can swing. But look how easy that is. Piece of pipe, and so obviously I tacked it with the carriage bolt, but also you can't loosen up this way, you know, without having a lock washer or anything. So yeah, but look, that's gonna be super handy to just throw on there on the T-post. So I gotta go drive some T-posts in, but I'm debating whether I should let this. Right now it's really firm, like it doesn't want to rotate, but I kind of think I'm gonna leave it, so if I do want to rotate it, like say I'm shooting at a different angle, then you know, you could see even that it barely wants to turn, but you could still lift it up and turn it, you know. So honestly, it just happens to fit perfect. So, but yeah, let's drive her in and test her out. Go a little more. Go, Rich. Yeah, let's try it.